Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make use of video in Kobotoolbox. So to do that, what we need to do is just to click on this button, then click on add question, then select video. So when I click on video, it's going to see use the camera to record a video. So I can just click on preview to preview the form. So on the web interface, I can only upload video to I can only upload video to the web interface, and I can now see when I click on the video, I can see the video on the web interface. But on the mobile device, if you want to see that, what we need to do is just to click on save. So when you click on save, you come to return list, you click on your form, then you come to form, then you click on redeployed. If you have deployed the form before, you click on OK. So, and it's going to deploy the form to server. So what I need to do is just to show you how it's going to look like on the mobile device. So I'm going to locate Kobo Collect on my mobile device. So I'm going to click on Kobo Collect on my mobile device. So after clicking on Kobo Collect on my mobile device, then it's going to display, you can see it's going to display the photo. So I can okay, no, I need to do some setting. I need to get blank form. So I'm going to click on get blank form to get a new form. Then I'm going to click on get selected, then click on OK, then click on fill blank form, then select Kobo text. You can see we have three buttons. We have record video, we have choose video from device, then we can also play the video. So I can just click on record video. You can see, so I can record the video. So I can record the video. I can also stop the video, and it's going to save the video to the mobile device. So I can click on next. That is how to make use of video in Kobotoolbox. See you in the next video. Thank you.